Hi, today in this video I'm going to show you how to paint the cherry blossom on wall. So please do watch the video until the end, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel New Race Greenery. For this, you need to have brown, white, pink color paints and 3 different shapes of brushes. In the first step, dip a large brush into the brown paint and brush over the main branch. Don't be neat and tidy as well. Feel free to swiggle a little and be messy. This looks more like a real branch than clean lines. Add smaller limbs and twigs with smaller brushes. When painting smaller limbs, always start from the larger limb. That the small limb attaches to the brush, and this makes the tip narrower than the base, which is more realistic. And now wait for the entire branch to dry. Now pour some pink and white paint onto the plate. Cherry blossoms are pink or white, and you can use both colors at once if desired. All you need to do is paint the flower from outside to in. This makes the flower to look as a realistic one. Paint them very close with pink and white color so that they look as a bunch of flowers. While painting the flowers, be clumsy so that they look great. You can paint the flowers randomly anywhere so that they look like the flowers are falling down. Our cherry blossom wall painting is ready for now. So be ready to experience the spring in your rooms by painting them on your walls. And one thing that I have to say you is sorry for not being so regular and uploading the videos. I'll try as much as possible to be regular and post the videos. If you like such videos, do let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to do more of them.